How to fix the issue where the preview pane is not working for your PDF documents. So you can see at the moment that I'm clicking on this PDF document, but it's not showing me a preview in the right hand side. Now to go and fix this, first click on View in the top navigation and make sure you have Preview pane selected like this. Now if it's still not working, then click on Preview from the right hand side. You can then click on your PDF file and you can check to see if it's now opening. If it's still not working, then click on these three horizontal dots, click on Options, and then click on the View tab. Make sure Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails is deselected like this. You can then scroll down this page and make sure Show Preview Handlers in Preview pane. Make sure this is ticked like so, and then press Apply and OK. Now if it's still not working, open up the Start menu. You could then search for Adobe Acrobat and open up this app. Now click on Menu in the top navigation and click on Preferences. Now this option here, Enable PDF Thumbnail Previews, make sure this is turned on. You can then scroll down and click on OK at the bottom of this page and click on Yes. Now once it's finished, if you come back over to your File Explorer, you can see that we're able to see a preview from the thumbnail like so. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.